guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be I'm going to show you one of my butteriest slimes. So yeah, first, I have to tell you why I haven't really been buzzing. So I haven't really been buzzing because I got sick with the flu and it was really bad, so I haven't been posting. So my most butteriest slime is my cotton candy crunch. Well, I don't think I ever told you this, guys, but I did make cotton candy crunch with clay. So yeah. And Lily is over here. She's just staring into the camera. It feels so good. And there is a video of when I decorated the cotton candy crunch. So if you want to watch that video, you can. And well, yeah, I answered your question. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.